Are you tired of that lackluster sound coming from your car's speakers? Well, say goodbye to those disappointing drives because I've got just the solution for you: the Kenwood eXcelon KFC-X2C 2.5-Inch mid-range factory replacement car speakers. Let's dive into why these speakers are a game-changer for your vehicle's audio system. First off, let's talk power. With 50 watts RMS, 120 watts peak power, these speakers pack a punch that will elevate your listening experience to a whole new level. Whether you're cruising down the highway or stuck in traffic, you'll appreciate the clarity and depth of sound these speakers deliver. But it's not just about power, it's about quality too. Kenwood is known for its commitment to excellence, and the KFC-X2C speakers are no exception. Featuring an acrylic carbon hybrid cone, these speakers reproduce natural sounds with precision, ensuring accurate and smooth high-frequency response every time you hit play. Installation is a breeze thanks to the industry's best solution for vehicle-specific size-speaker replacement. Whether you drive a Chevrolet, Chrysler, Dodge, Toyota, Jeep, Ford, or more, you can count on these speakers to fit seamlessly into your vehicle, giving you that factory-installed look without sacrificing performance. And let's not forget about value. Stock factory car speakers simply can't compete with the crisp and clean sound of the KFC-X2C. Plus, with a manufacturer warranty of 2 years, you can have peace of mind knowing that your investment is protected. So, if you're ready to upgrade your car's audio system and unleash its full potential, look no further than the Kenwood eXcelon KFC-X2C 2.5-Inch mid-range factory replacement car speakers. Trust me, your ears will thank you. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.